In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack workspace step by step. Whether you've moved on to a new project, changed companies, or simply no longer need to be part of a particular workspace, leaving is a straightforward process. Let's jump right into it and ensure you have a smooth transition. First, navigate to Slack by opening your web browser and entering the URL of your Slack workplace, or simply typing slack.com if you are not already signed in. It's important to ensure you're using a secure connection, especially if you're using a public computer or network. Once you have Slack open, click on the option for Google, as this will allow you to sign in using your Google credentials. This step is crucial if the workspace was originally joined via a Google account. Next, you'll want to select the appropriate Google account you use for this specific Slack workspace. You'll see a list of all available accounts on your sign-in screen. Simply click on the account linked to your Slack access. Afterward, go ahead and click the Continue button to confirm your account selection. This will direct you to Slack using the appropriate credentials. Once you're in, if the Slack workspace opens in the app, but you prefer to use the browser, just click on Use Slack in your browser. For many users, the browser version can be more convenient due to direct accessibility and uniformity across different devices. Now that you're logged in and ready to proceed, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Slack interface. Here you'll find your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, click on Profile to view more details regarding your account. As you look in the left side panel, search for the three dots, also known as an ellipsis, indicating more settings or options. These three dots usually house additional functionalities that are not immediately visible. Click on them to expand a new set of options. From the expanded menu, select Account Settings. This will open a new window or a tab featuring various account preferences where you can manage your account settings. It's in this section that you find the option we need to proceed with leaving the workspace. Now scroll through the account settings until you locate Deactivate Your Account. Clicking this will open a confirmation page. It's an essential stage as it requires revalidating if you genuinely want to deactivate. Finally, when you're ready to confirm your decision, click on Yes, deactivate my account. With this final step, you've successfully removed yourself from the Slack workspace and the account will be deactivated within this specific workplace. You can always rejoin if necessary through an invitation. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your digital workspace efficiently.